Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. These are our ingredients: a quarter cup of margarine or butter, a quarter cup of flour, and 500 milliliters of milk. Let's get into cooking. So we're going to start with our roux. First we melt the margarine or butter. Once it melts, we're then going to add the flour. We whisk this until it's a smooth paste. And once the paste is smooth, we're going to add the milk bit by bit. Oh, and by the way, make sure that your stove is not too hot. So that's it, that's our sauce. Now, because I'm using this, I'm going to make a pasta sauce out of it. I'm going to season it. Firstly, I'm adding garlic powder, and then a little bit of salt, and then a lot of black pepper. So if you wanted to make a pepper sauce, for example, you'd add your pepper and that's that. The white sauce is basically like a basis to any sauce. And if you wanted to make a mushroom sauce, you'd fry your mushrooms on the side and then add your mushrooms here. So I'm basically almost done with my sauce. All that's left is adding the cheese. I'm going to add about a handful or two of cheddar cheese. I've once made a blue cheese sauce where I put blue cheese here and it tasted so delicious. So basically, white sauces are very simple, and then you just add flavor to it to make it the sauce of your choice and use it in any dish of your choice. I put a lot of cheese in my sauce, so I used milk to not make it as sticky, to make the consistency more flowy. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. My sauce is basically done. I'm going to use this for pasta and I'm happy. I hope you guys loved this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like my video and comment if you maybe created a sauce that you liked and you added your own different flavor, and tell me what flavor you added. And yes, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Love you. Bye.